So what's good, guys? Um, I'm about to trade now. I've entered the trade already. I can't manage the channel. So let's. I want to explain the reason why I entered the trade. What happened? What did I see? Though I've been on the sell trade literally, but as of yesterday, I took an L there because of margin. That midnight spread. I took an L. So today I was patient. I was waiting for a breakout. Right, I was looking for a breakout here. I've gotten a breakout. Um, so I've gotten a breakout. We've gotten some liquidity sweep. Okay, well, I mean, got this liquidity sweep. Right? We've gotten down, but we've gotten the breakout initially. You can see this page got rejected multiple times. So we've gotten the breakout. So I didn't just enter this trade based off of breakout. I was in for an aggressive break or structure in 15 minutes. You get what I mean? So I went there to the 15 minutes and I saw this structure. One, two, then this three. You get what I mean? And so this was an aggressive break to the downside. Then this was an impulsive 15 minutes. Impulsive break to the downside. You get what I mean? So I entered immediately. It got broken, and I'm currently I'm currently in loss now, but my stop loss is at this point. I protected that point. That's where my stop loss is, and that's where I'm going to put my alarm. So, if I'm to rate this trade, I'm going to rate it at 6.5/10. Alright, because one, I've got this 15 minutes break, impulsive break. Right, so this is not something that happens regularly, it happens in a while. And what does this mean? It means sellers are in the market aggressively. For it to this is the 15 minutes candle, and how many 15-minute candle have been? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1 hour. It took 1 hour for this to be created, and one 15 minutes candle just engulfed everything, as you can see. But this is just my anticipation. Market might not do that, but this my setup. This is what my setup is all about. Liquidity sweep, then impulsive break. You know what I mean? So I'm going to take the liquidity sweep. The liquidity sweep was here. I tried to search what liquidity sweep was, but I couldn't enter from this point. This is liquidity sweep. I couldn't enter from this point because I didn't see the impulsive break on 15 minutes and also on 5 minutes. I couldn't find the impulsive break. As you can see, I'd say all these things. But when the market was about to break, it had this bullish move and it didn't get the impulsive break, so that's why they didn't enter. But alongside the movement, we saw this impulsive break right there. And that was where I entered the trade. So, just like I said, liquidity grab this and an impulsive break this. So, normally I was actually waiting for a break and test. I should have entered from this point. Yeah. But I don't want to enter the trade here based off of anticipation or based off of I think I want my strategy conferences should actually show itself then I enter the trade. So I don't want to enter based off it has done it before and things is not so happening. I'm just following my strategy, which told me to enter the trade once it has an impulsive 15-minute break. And like you see right here, that this just this one candle was broke, and it didn't weak its body close below that, and that is the conclusion. So this pullback we are seeing right now, it can be market trying to market are looking for something to to do to reduce the downside. And you can see we have this fair value gap here. So this can actually obey this fair value gap and market just try as much as possible to sweep liquidity and maintain this movement to the downside. So it has been really slow. It has been really slow. I don't know why about that. It's been a really slow market today, and since yesterday also it has been a really slow market. But GDP has been on a bullish run for a long period of time, which I didn't make any money out of it, which was so painful because I was trying to be over, you know, I'm trying to confirm some stuff too much that I end up losing giant positions. So, like I said, this is a good trade for me. Right, we've got the liquidity sweep, we've got the positive break, and all we just have to do is actually wait for the market to play out. We don't have control over it, we really have control over our risk. I think and my risk I think I'm pretty much comfortable about my risk. Nothing too serious about. Our stop loss is on protected high, and once market gets to that point, our setup is invalid, and that's where I want to take it out of market. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to wait for the market to play out. I've secured the position, and I'm just going to leave the trade to play out by itself. And I'm going to look for my take profits. Man, there's lots of take profits right here. Lots of take profits right there. Going forward, let's see. Because we have fair value gaps everywhere. And lots of take profits right there. I think I'm going to have to use Fibonacci. Take profits can be here. At this point, any point right there. Our take profits can be there at any point. So let's mark take profit points in 15 minutes. Okay, not bad. So I enter the trade. On this points, stop points, points, take profits. Okay. Let's see what we have. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let me check my entry again. Entry was 35438. 35438, that'll be entry. 35438. Man, immediately I saw the market start down. It's crazy. It's like as if nobody was after me. This was my entry. 17 big stop loss. 35614. 17.6 big. 0.7. 0.37. 70.6 points. They're like 500. So take profits should be I have to choose my take profit. For it, I'm going to be choosing this point. I'm gonna lie. I'm going to choose another point because we have this bullish liquidity point right there. So let's just wait. Let's wait to play out. Or for it, we don't have what it's gonna be. I won't lie. Look how this liquidity is right there. Going to be there. Though we have a lot of favorite gaps, so but I'm just going to be looking at the structure. Again, we're going to be looking at the structure. Okay, so I think this is I'm going to do a video. Like I said, I don't like seeing my position stuff. Just let the market play out. Analyze it. I'm selling the BS here. Let's see how far it's gonna dip. I think CPI news is coming up. So hopefully CPI news can do the magic. But that's my trade and that's what I want to trade. Let's see. There's a change of character. Coordination of character. Okay. So I'm going to, as we all know, I'm going to be doing the after video when the market hits the profit or when I'm about to be close the trade. I'm going to be doing a video about that. I think now I'm about going back to break even at just thereabouts. So to me, this is a good trade. In my own thing, this is a good trade for me. I don't like my setup showed. Like I said, I'm just going to, I've entered the trade, I've secured the position, I'm not going to chill. I'm just going to chill. So see you guys after this market scenario when I'm about to close the trade. Alright. It wasn't guys. When I lost the trade. What am I telling you? I lost the trade. Yeah, I entered at this point. Stop loss was happening again. I lost the trade. So that's it for today. Lost trade. I think I lost trade yesterday. That is back-to-back loss. Hopefully I'm able to recover back the losses. But little where it is. That's part of the game. I don't know. But for market to be accumulating this long and being indecisive, the sell is going to be very aggressive. The sell is going to be very aggressive. Let's go. Let's see what tomorrow has so far. But I'm not sure there will be another entry again today. I'm not sure I'm missing any setup at all. I'm missing setup at all. Now I'm in setup. I'm missing any setup at all. No setup. Alright, so this is it for today. See you guys tomorrow.